So does the iPhone 11 support a wireless power bank? So you might be familiar with the types of power banks that one connects through a cable, but there is this like MagSafe one which snaps back to an iPhone. And it might get a little bit confusing because the iPhone 11 does not support MagSafe, but it does support wireless charging. So yes, it will support the wireless power bank, but it's not gonna be that comfortable to use. The reason being that it won't snap back to the case just like it does with the MagSafe compatible devices. One good recent device even which we can demonstrate it with is the iPhone 16e, which is technically the latest iPhone, but it does not have MagSafe. It does feature wireless charging, so I cannot technically use my power bank to, connect it to the backside, but it's not gonna stick there. I have to either let it sit on a table or just hold it together to ensure the charge is flowing, but it's not as comfortable as simply connecting through the magnets and just snapping it right there. So yes, it works, the wireless charging works, but yeah, it doesn't stick there. So this is the case of the iPhone 11, of the iPhone 10, 10s, and even iPhone 8, because these devices support wireless charging but do not support a MagSafe. So this is the explanation. So I hope I could give you a proper one, and hopefully now you understand what's going on. Let me know below in the comments if there are some more questions or thoughts you might have. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.